Hey guys, it's the Keto King here, and this is just a really short video just to give you a little bit of an update and explanation. So, since I started the channel, I have replied to every single comment that comes onto my channel. I love chatting to you guys and interacting and just building up a great keto community. Now that we currently have over 35,000 subscribers on the channel, and I have almost 70 videos on the channel, keeping up replying to everyone is becoming exceedingly difficult for me. As I've let you know in one of my Q&As, I work a full-time job Monday to Friday. I have a toddler at home who takes up the majority of my non-working time, and that leaves very little time for me to create video ideas, to shoot them, to edit them, to upload them, and then on top of that, to reply to every single comment. So the best way I feel I can serve you in the keto community is to reply to the majority of messages once new videos are released. So maybe in the week or two after a new video is released, I'll reply to the majority of the questions and comments down in the comments of that video. But thereafter, once the new video has been released, I'm only going to sporadically reply to comments as and when I get the time to actually reply. Now for those of you who are thinking, but Keto King, I need some input from you. I have so many questions on these certain recipes. What am I going to do? Well, I am going to be offering guaranteed replies on my Patreon page. So if you haven't seen my Patreon page, there's a link in the description box below. Go check it out. I'll be uploading videos there. And if you are a patron of my Patreon page, by contributing financially to me in an amount that suits you, I'll guarantee replies to all of your comments there under each of the videos. That way you can be guaranteed you're going to get the answers you want, and that makes my very limited time at the moment worthwhile. I really hope you can all understand where I'm coming from, and this is not just a money grab. The effort I'm putting in is taking away time from not only my work, from time spent with my toddler, but time spent with my wife and friends too. I truly am so appreciative of you and all that you guys have done supporting me to grow the channel to where it is today. I'm super excited about the future of the Keto King channel and where it's going, and I'm hoping you'll come along and join the ride with me. Thanks again for watching, guys, and as always, keep it keto.